Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start in the shell. Make sure you have a terminal open and appropriate permissions. First, run pwd to confirm your location, then lslat to see the target folder and any hidden contents. If you're not the owner, use sudo only when necessary, otherwise stop and adjust permissions with chown or chmod. Once you can see the folder name exactly, use cd to navigate into its parent. This prevents accidental deletions and sets you up for the removal step. You're ready to delete. If the folder is empty, rmdir target folder is safest because it refuses non-empty directories. For non-empty folders, use rmr target folder. The R recursively removes contents. To reduce risk, add I to prompt for each file, or run a dry check by listing files first with find target folder maxdepth to print. Once done deciding, execute the removal command. Make sure to avoid trailing slashes or wildcards unless you know their scope. You complete the process by verifying the folder is gone. ls parent folder or testd target folder returns false. If you see permission denied, make sure you have the right privileges. Use sudo for the command, or adjust ownership with sudo chown ru, your group target folder, then retry. If the directory cannot be removed because files are in use, run lsof plus d target folder to find processes, then stop those processes or reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: do not force deletions blindly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.